Hi, today we have a new challenge, removing elements. What we get is a list and we have to remove every second element from the list. Always keep the first element and start removing with the next element. Here we have some examples. How to go about that? Well, here we are. Well, let's create a new list, result. And what I want to do now is to iterate through the list and print out the indices and the matching elements. So for the index and then in the range of the length of the list, length of my list, print index and the values. There we have them. And what we have to do is to remove elements based on the index. We should be left over with odd numbers 1, 3, 5, and so on and so forth. And those are the even indices 4, 2, 0, and so on and so forth. So those are the indices that we have to remove. In other words, if the index is even, modulo 2 is equal to 0, then we have to append this value to the result list. Dot append. And then we can return the result. There we have it, and does work for the strings. Yeah, that does work out as well. And of course, we can use a list comprehension as well. So let's comment this out. Return the value for index in the range of the length of the list if the index is even. There we have it. Well, let's test it out. Works like a charm. Hope this has been useful. Please consider dropping a like. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.